Díochait, agus céad míle fáilte rút ag gcomharsa dó. Hello and welcome to the A2 course. Is mis Múinteoir Quinton, I'm Múinteoir Quinton, agus by mis go the chróirú ó topic a héam, go topic a ceardeg, and I'll be guiding you from topic 1 to topic 14. The A2 course is similar to the A1 course. It follows similar topics and a similar structure. If there's ever a time where you find that a topic is too difficult or that you want more background or more information about it, I recommend you look for a similar topic in the A1 course. Most of what we cover in this course will have seen at a lower level in the A1 course. This video course is focused on vocabulary and grammar that are at the A2 level. If you have a need for more practice in speaking, listening, reading, or writing, then you should supplement this course with other methods of practice. For example, by taking one of our live group courses, a one-on-one course, or by practicing the language with people around you in your community. Gura míle mágaí agus céad fáilte róg ag gcomharsa. Thank you, and you're very welcome to the course. Bannaí tanavas. Enjoy it.